You could get a slightly naughty goodie by completing the hidden route and sending a photo of the pink bookmark. Banshee's Last Cry bonus drama CD was yours on a limited 8cm disc. Of course, it was just audio. It was a rare item back then, now anyone can hear it online. Good or bad, that's the era we live in. Mirror polish. Wonder if the insides are different. Let's open it. Nope. Totally different size. One less chip on this one. This is the SRAM that holds saved data. Victronics. Mosel. Sharp. This one has higher capacity. This battery is Maxell. This one's Panasonic. Capacitor color is also different. IPA. Ear pick. Contact restorer with a cotton swab. Lift off the grime. Nylon buff. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Mirror polish. Solder sucker. Fracture. Bit of a battery leak here. New battery. Old battery. Zombie body fluid. Tears of Gen Z balances the flavor. Cure with UV light. Welcome back. Nicely coated now, and the back too. Magic potion. Let's make the terminals last longer. Same for screws. $19.94. Plastic degradation and yellowing suppression. Silicone coating. Preserve it for the future.
Perfect body.